Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable app drawer. As you can see, the app drawer is on. To disable it, tap and hold on screen, go to home screen settings and tap on home screen layout. Now select home screen only. Apply, and now app drawer is off. To enable it again, tap and hold on screen, go to home screen settings, home screen layout and select home and app screens. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.